Hello aspirants, welcome to A4 UPSC Learning Platform. Today, we will be discussing UPSC Civil Service Examination Overview. Let's begin. The exam consists of 3 stages. First stage is prelims. Stage 2 is mains and the final stage is interview or the personality test. Now, we will analyze the number of selection from each stage. According to government data, in the year 2022, around 11 lakh candidates applied for prelims. Out of that, around 5,73,000 candidates appeared for prelims. That is, 50% of applicants were there for the prelims examination, which is the stage 1. Out of that, 13,090 qualified for mains, that is the stage 2. Then, 2,529 candidates were called for personality test, that is the stage 3. In the final merit list, there were 933 candidates. That means there are around 10 lakh applicants for 1000 seats. Now, we will analyze each stage. Stage 1, prelims. Prelims consist of 2 papers and they are objective type. First paper is General Studies 1, that is GS1. It is a paper of 100 questions of 2 marks each. The second paper is GS2, General Studies 2. It is a paper of 80 questions of 2.5 marks each. Prelims, it is a screening test and it selects candidate for the next stage, that is mains examination. In the prelims, there are around 10 to 13 lakh applicants. From this, 10,000 to 13,000 are selected for the next stage. So, prelims, it is a screening test and it is not counted for merit. Out of the 100 prelims applicants, 1 advances to the main stage, that is stage 2. Now, we will discuss stage 2, that is mains. Mains, it is a written examination and it consists of 9 papers. Out of the 9 papers, 2 are qualifying. So, qualifying papers are as follows. Paper A, one of the Indian languages from the languages included in the 8th schedule to the Constitution, and it is a 300 mark paper. Next paper is Paper B, English, and it is a paper of 300 marks. Now, we will analyze the 7 papers to be counted for merit. Paper 1 is essay and it is of 250 marks. Second paper to be counted for merit is General Studies 1. It consists of topics like art and culture, modern India, post-independence consolidation, world history, Indian society, and geography. Paper 3 to be counted for merit is General Studies 2. Its topics are Indian polity, governance, international relation, and social justice. Paper 4 to be counted for merit is General Studies 3. Its topics are economy, environment and ecology, science and technology, disaster management, and internal security. Paper 5 to be counted for merit is General Studies 4. Its topics are ethics, attitude, aptitude, emotional intelligence, public service values, and probity in governance. Now, we discussed 5 papers out of the 7 to be counted for merit. First is paper essay and 4 general studies. Now, 2 more are there. They are optional subject paper. Paper 1 and optional subject paper 2. So, we discussed 7 papers to be counted for merit. So, from the written test, there are 7 papers and 250 marks each. So, the total mark is 1,750 marks. Out of the 10 mains candidates, 2 advanced to the interview stage, that is the stage 3. Now, we will analyze what is interview. Stage 3, interview or personality test. It assesses the personal suitability of the candidate for a career in public service, and this interview is of 275 marks. Out of the 3 personality test candidates, 1 is selected for the final merit list. Now, let's see what's the final merit list. It consists of 2 parts. First is the Civil Services Mains Examination mark, that is 1,750. Then the interview mark, that is 275. So, the total mark for final merit list is 2025. Candidates will be allotted to various services like IAS, IPS, IFS, IRS, etc., keeping in view their ranks in the examination and the preferences expressed by them for the various services and posts. And the exam is a 1-year long process and starts in June with stage 1, that is prelims, and ends a few days before the next year's prelims in May last week or June first week. Now, let's analyze the exam journey. The journey starts with filing your application form, which comes in February. And then the prelims examination happens in May last week or June first week. The result of the prelims will be declared within 10 to 15 days. Once the result is announced, we have to fill the DAF, that is Detailed Application Form 1. Then, Stage 2 Mains examination happens in September. The result of the mains comes in December. Once the result is out, we have to fill Detailed Application Form 2. Then, interview happens, that is personality test. The final result comes in May, but it is a few days before the next year prelims. This is the whole exam journey of 1 year. If you have successfully completed the 3 stages and find your name on the final merit list, congratulations, because UPSC CSE examination is one of the toughest examinations in the world. So clearing the 3 stages and finding your name in the merit list is truly a great achievement. So I'm wishing you the very best for your career in civil service ahead. But there is a caution. If any of the following happens to you in the result of any stage, that is, not clearing prelims cutoff, not clearing mains cutoff, or not clearing personality test, or not achieving the desired rank or service, you have 2 options. First option is giving next attempt, but you have to start from prelims again. If you have given 1 attempt with full preparation, you should weigh the risk and return before planning the next preparation journey. The next option is exit with no regret. Why? Because, as I said, UPSC examination is one of the toughest examinations in the world, and preparing for it is a life-changing experience. Also, the pass percentage in UPSC examination is 0.1%. So, in this video, I have given an overview of UPSC CSE examination. In the upcoming video, we will be discussing syllabus, previous year questions, and various stages in examination in detail. You can follow A4 UPSC Learning for simplifying your UPSC preparation. As I said, UPSC CSE examination is a long journey. So, I want to say, a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. I am wishing you the very best for your journey. For further information on UPSC CSE examination, you can check our A4 UPSC Learning platform. Let me know your comments, suggestions, feedbacks, and doubts. Thank you. Happy learning and keep learning.